Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So right here we're going to demonstrate where the power seats, massaging seats relay is located on a 2016 Ford F-150. You have, guys, two fuse boxes, but we'll need to work in the fuse box that's located under the hood. It's known as the engine bay fuse box or battery junction box. And if we come right here, this is your 12-volt battery on your F-150, and that cover right here is the one that we will need to see. Okay, that cover is actually the fuse box cover here, and if you open that fuse box cover, you're going to see a fuse box, and the layout will be just like that. That will be the front of your truck, guys. That will be towards the windshield side. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you can see how you have different kinds of fuses, relays. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping for your convenience. The power seats, multi-contour massaging seats relay will be in that panel right here, guys, and if you look at that relay on the very bottom right side, okay, that's the relay that we will need to check on the right side, the very bottom one above the fuses. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.